So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your laptop from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your laptop from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when your laptop turns on, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options, which will now take us to here. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. If you do not see Command Prompt in this list, then you want to click on See More Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Command Prompt, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in chkdsk C:/F//R. Click on Enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, we're just going to close out of this, continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.